Good evening, guys. Today not usual day. Yesterday I come back from Singapore, and tonight we are going with my lovely fam. We are going to the nightclub. Finally. Because after college we didn't go out together, but I hope from today's night we will change it. So see you in the nightclub.
Oh, hello. We're recording.
I met my fam after how long we didn't go out?
I can't even stay. Oh my goodness, it's been like freaking 4 months or something.
Yeah,
like,
when we
it's
finished
crazy.
college.
Exactly. But
So-
tonight we're going out. We're having
Yay.
great times. We're gonna have an amazing time. It has to be. Yeah.
See you in the nightclub.
Mwah.
Hello guys, I'm in Dubai now, and tonight I have flight to Singapore, my last Singapore flight for this month, and I think for next month also, because I received my roster. I have finally different countries, so it will be more interesting to do vlogs, as I can show you more, and it will be some variety choice. I already swapped my Chinese fly for Paris. I didn't have Paris before, I never been there. I'm not sure that I want to visit Paris in winter, but if I have chance, why not to use it? So now, as you can see, I'm with makeup already. In my home style, it's my favorite pyjama from Victoria's Secret and my lovely cardigan because I'm freezing in my accommodation. Of course, I'm drinking tea, and I want to cook some my favorite tuna salad for the fly because I've been in Singapore 3 times, so I know what we have in our menu. I'm vegetarian, so it's difficult to find something to eat. I don't want to eat noodles because it's okay, but it's not so healthy. So see you in Singapore. What's wrong with you? Now when it comes to women's rights, you don't like that? So guys, now I'm in Singapore. Last flight, promise, last flight. Next step will be Paris. Yes, first time in Paris. So now we are going to Universal Studio. Finally, on my fourth flight, I'm going to Universal. Yeah, with one more crew. We decide we will spend more money, but we will see it. Because I don't have US visa for now, so I cannot compare Universal Studio in US. For me, it will be new experience. So we will go. Hello guys, already on Universal Studio. I bought a ticket. Ticket cost 76 Singaporean dollars. For children until 12 years old, it costs like 56 Singaporean dollars. Now we are going. There's huge line. We are very excited. So we already took pictures. I'm sure they will be very expensive on the way back. Now we're thinking where we should we go.
couldn't take video because they told us it's not allowed. We left all our bags on and all our phone.
Should we try this one?
Yeah.
Oh no, but they no bags allowed.
All attraction, there is no bags allowed. So you cannot enjoy it properly. But it was my first experience. It was amazing. But it was just 30 seconds at least, I think. We waited like 1 hour for this 30 seconds. And now we engage it.
Yes, I just realized if we get fast tracked to like all the airport queues.
Yeah.
So basically we're not used to waiting around to do fast.
Oh, now I feel like a little princess. Behind the castle.
Who sought to turn brother against brother, the strong against the weak, the force of tyranny and fear. They call themselves Subterranean sneak attack specialist. That is his tale on the exam table. The rest of him is still up there, somewhere, waiting to strike. So, recruits, how do you defeat Decepticons like these? The answer, you do not. Ever. You will fail. Only on that stage is higher. I'll cut right to the chase. Our energon detectors indicate Decepticons are swarming the city. This is a coordinated strike.
Can you read me? This is Theodore Slower, National Security Advisor. I'm direct authority.
Authorized. Move in an orderly fashion to the furthest seat in your row, and I do not have a robotic voice.
Hey, I'm a robot. It was meant to be a compliment.
Supervise children, making sure that each child has their own seat on board evac. There is a lap restraint in every row. Do not engage it until everyone in your row is seated. Stay clear of evac's door when it is in motion. Everyone should have a pair of protective eyewear. Wait until you are seated before putting them on. Keep hands and arms inside your vehicle at all times. Hold on to the lap restraint at all times and remain seated because evac screening records do not instill me with the utmost confidence.
Just stick to your script, lady. I really hope we survive this thing.
Goodbye.
I think you mean good luck.
Selfie with the glasses.
推后一点，欧耶！推后一点，影响他。
Good morning, guys, from Singapore. I hope you enjoy my trip to Universal Studio. It's a very small studio, but it's enough for one day, and I really enjoy it. It was first time when I tried roller coaster, and I tried a lot. I tried everything. Yeah, I remember like I was a child for that day. It was perfect day. I don't know why I didn't went to Universal last 3 flights, but it's worth it. So guys, if you will be in Singapore, it's also must have. Seriously, it's must have. But you should buy express ticket. So it's like fast track for all attractions. We didn't know about it. Actually, I saw that you can buy it, but I didn't understand for what because I never been in Universal Studio. Yeah, so the ticket for adult, as I told you before, costs $76 Singaporean dollars, and this fast track for all attractions in Universal Studio cost 100, of course, Singaporean dollars. But you should pay this money because we remember that ticket all the time when we stay in like one of the half an hour just to do roller coaster for 1 minute, at like maximum 1 minute. One time it was like 30 seconds. We just start and finish. I was shocked because it was super fast and we waited a long like line of people. So guys, you should pay more money, but try all roller coaster like 10 times, 5 times, and enjoy all the day in Universal. So now I'm prepared to my flight. I woke up at 5 a.m. and I have wake up call at 7 a.m. Don't ask me why I woke up so early. I don't know. Usually I'm full ready before wake up call. I feel myself more relaxed. So guys, see you in Dubai. I think so. Or in the next destination.